All right, for this packet, we are going to complete the packet in 2-point perspective. And we're going to start by following these instructions, which means the first thing we do is we draw a horizon line across. We put 2 vanishing points on the horizon line, one on the left, one on the right. Then we're going to draw 3 vertical lines, one of them being in the top left, one of them being in the center middle of the paper, and one being in the bottom right. The next step tells us that we need to connect each of the verticals to the left-hand vanishing point. And we're going to do that from the top and the bottom. We're going to do that the middle one as well. And we will connect the bottom one to the left hand. Once you have done that, then we're going to connect the same vertical to the right hand vanishing point. All right, and then the next step tells us that we need to stop these with vertical lines to make them into boxes. So we would draw a vertical line to make the left side of the box, a vertical line to make the right side of the box, and we'll do that on each one. All right, and then to complete the boxes, well, we have to complete the top one and the bottom one because they're missing a bottom on this one and a top on this one. So we're going to go from this vertical, which is the right side of the box, to the left-hand vanishing point. And we're going to go from the left side to the right-hand vanishing point. And you don't have to draw the line all the way. You have to connect it to the vanishing point here, but you can actually stop once it hits that line. And now we have the completed box. This one, because it sits on the horizon line, that's all you would see. But we'll go ahead and finish this one. Left side to the right-hand vanishing point, right side to the left-hand vanishing point. And that's how you complete the front part of the packet. This is a good place to stop it and finish, work on finishing these 3 boxes. All right, so assuming that you get done with the boxes, the next thing we're going to do is the paradise sitting below the horizon line. So we're going to start the same way. Horizon line, 2 vanishing points, each on the side. We're going to have 2 lines that are vertical. One is going to be just a little higher up because our goal is to make them look just like the dies that are up there. We're going to connect it to the vanishing point. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this without talking. All right, once you get that done, you draw a vertical line for the left side and the right side. We're then going to connect left side to the right-hand vanishing point to get the top, and right side to the left-hand vanishing point. That actually was already in there, and there you go. All right, that just happened to line up with that. So that dice is done, and we would erase the extra line that's around there so we can see just the box and only the box. All right, and then we would do the same thing over here for this box. And then you can fill in the dots. So we've got 2 on this one. We've got 3 here, and then just go ahead and fill them all in based on the example that's seen on the top. And again, this is a good stopping point. You can pause the video and finish your example. All right, so the last one on this packet that we're going to do is, for now, is going to be a city. And the city is going to sit below the horizon line. So we're going to start the same way, horizon line, vanishing point. We're going to start with building A. Our first building is going to be below, but yet connected, just like we've been doing. We're going to make it a little bit bigger than we did with the dice. I'm going to connect it so that we can see the top. And then once we get this done, the steps tell us, all right, we need to show a building on the right that is the same size. And this is the easy one, because all I'm going to do is say, okay, it's sitting right next to it, so I'll draw a vertical line. And because it's below the horizon line as well, we're also going to see the top on this one. So we'll draw this line to the left-hand vanishing point, and I can stop it once it hit this line, because that's what it shows me in the example. So we got box A and box B, soon to be buildings. Now, building C over here is actually taller than this one, so we would extend the left side of this up just a little ways. And I'm going to go ahead and erase these top lines just to make it a little easier to see and understand. But this is going to be the top of building C, and it's going to go to the left-hand vanishing point and now the right-hand vanishing point, because again, I increase the height of this. Then I'm going to draw a vertical line here. I'm going to draw a vertical line for the back side of building C. And then again, we still see the top. So we'll go to the vanishing points to finish it. Every line that I'm drawing right now is vertical or to a vanishing point. So we have building A, building B, and building C. So the last building on this page is going to be the tallest of all of them. And I'm going to draw this one so it's farthest back in the picture. And I'm going to go straight up, taller than the horizon line. I'm then going to connect it to the vanishing points and go down for the left side to the right-hand vanishing point and down on the, right side. This was the left side, this is the right side. All right, that's a good stopping point also. Now keep in mind we can put windows on here. The windows are also going to be vertical and to the vanishing point. So we can line everything up so it's vertical, and we've got two windows here. So we could draw it going to the vanishing point. We've got a door here that's vertical to the vanishing point, vertical, just like this one. The only thing I do not have in my composition right now are the windows that are on the tall building, but that's something you can do on your own. Again, keep in mind they go to the vanishing point and they are vertical. So that'll end the video for now.